Garlic has been used for both food and medicine. Its medicinal effects are proven to be effective and used for more than 5,000 years. It is naturally antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial that prevents common diseases and infections. It is considered a healing herb. And, sipping a cup of garlic tea every morning is known to work wonders on your body. Benefits of garlic tea. 1. Keeps heart healthy. Daily consumption of garlic tea can help lower down the LDL low-density lipoprotein levels significantly, keeping the heart healthy and disease-free. 2. Boosts immunity. Garlic is packed with antifungal and antibacterial properties. One such property is allicin. This compound gives an additional boost to your immune system and helps it fight infections in a better way. It also keeps your liver healthy. 3. Aids weight loss. Garlic tea stimulates the metabolism, which can increase passive fat burning and aid weight loss efforts, while also partially suppressing the appetite. 4. Regulates blood pressure. Many people with a high blood pressure have benefited immensely from drinking garlic tea. 5. Anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that garlic has anti-carcinogenic properties. Thus, drinking a cup of garlic tea early in the morning on empty stomach can work wonders to prevent different types of cancer. 6. Improves respiratory system. Respiratory ailments can be treated with the help of garlic tea. This beverage has the properties of curing a cold, cough, fever and congestion. Just 1 cup of garlic tea is good enough for clearing congestion and reducing inflammation in the respiratory tracts. It fosters the healing process and removes underlying bacteria, thereby treating respiratory infections. How to make garlic tea. To make garlic tea, first chop the garlic to release allicin. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil, then turn off the heat. Add 1 to 3 cloves of garlic, depending on your preference. If desired, add lemon juice and honey to taste. Oregon State University notes that allicin is inactivated by cooking, but chopping and letting the garlic stand for at least 10 minutes before exposing to heat can help preserve allicin. Things to be taken care of. 1. For maximum benefits and to ensure that the activity of allicin remains intact, always chop the garlic cloves and wait for at least 10 minutes before heating it. 2. Though it is extremely beneficial, an excess of garlic consumption may give rise to complications such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, heartburn, dizziness etc. So, make sure to consume it in moderate amount. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.